Namaste guys, in this video we are going to solve this interesting Math Olympiad problem. So here I have to find the area of the rectangle that is red color. So you have to find the area of this red rectangle. So how can we solve it? Let's see. So what is given is that I have a rectangle of red color, a circle, a blue line whose length is how much? 13 centimeter. Okay, you can say 13 units. That's also fine. Now, first let's try to see how we can solve it. So let's assume some things before we start. So let's say let D C equal to Y. Okay. So I'm saying, hey, let DC length is equal to Y. And let's say OB. OB is the point O is at the center of the circle. So I can say that OB is how much? R of the circle, right? So OB is how much? R, that is the radius of the circle. I hope no one have any kind of doubts. So what will be the length of AO? AO basically means you can see that DC is Y. So AO will become Y minus R, right? And let's say AE, let's say X. I am assuming that A is how much? X unit long. So A is equal to X. AO equal to Y minus R. I hope no one have any kind of doubts till this point. And one more thing that we can observe from this, that PO or CB is equal to how much? They are also equal to R units. Okay. And A is how much? X. So I can also say sorry. I can also say OB equal to R and this is equal to also CB. So I hope no one have any doubts till this point. Now what I will do, I will take from triangle EAB. Triangle EAB by using Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is what? A square plus B square equal to C square. Base square plus perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse. So I'm talking about the length of EAB. So EA is how much? X square. B square is what is that perpendicular? That is AB. AB is how much? Y square. So C square will become what? It will become 30 because EB length is already given 13. So I can say x square plus y square equal to 169. So this is my equation number 1. Okay, or you can write this as x square equal to 169 minus y square. Let's say this is question number 2. Okay, now what I will do, I will draw a line from point E to O. Now let's look at from triangle. Sorry, triangle EAO. Again, I will use Pythagoras theorem, that is base square plus perpendicular square, that is equal to hypotenuse square. So my base is what? EA. Okay, so EA is equal to x square. B square is what? Perpendicular is what? AO. A is how much? Y minus R. Y minus R whole square. And I don't, and what is the value of C square? So C square is basically my radius. Watch carefully. As I know that O is the center of the point and it is touching the E that is at the end of the circle. So I can say that O is how much? R. So this will become R square. So I can say it x square plus, this reminds me formula of A square plus B square minus 2AB. I'm using this formula a minus b whole square. So this will become a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to r square. R square cancel out, right? So this will become x square plus y square minus 2yr equal to 0. I can rewrite this as x square equal to 2yr minus y square. Let's say this is equation number 3. Now let's compare equation number 2 and equation number 3. So from equation 2 and equation 3 I will get, so x square equal to x square. So what is the value of x square in equation 2? It is 169 minus y square. What is the value of x square here? Equal to 2yr minus y square. Now this y square cancel out. What I will get? I will get yr whose value is 169 divided by 2, 816, 9248.5, 84.5 units. Now this is the answer, yr. Now let's try to visualize it. So what is y? Y is DC. Okay. I need the length of CB, but CB is equal to how much? R. As I already mentioned, you can see CB is equal to R. So by calculating yr, I will get the area of the rectangle, that is 84.5. So in that way, we have find the solution, and it is square units. Okay. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask question. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.